Hello everyone, you all guys are listening me on Unacademy online platform. Plastic is always an evergreen topic. Every day somehow, somewhere you will get some articles in any of the newspaper, in any of the channels. Somehow a new report even came guys like microplastic is available in our blood. My god. Now this is a really very shocking news for all of us. So let us see guys what about the article those recently published regarding the microplastic in the blood. Even recently 2 years back UPSC asked the question, one question in your paper from plastic in your UPSC prelims examination, it was microbits. So somehow guys, microbits and microplastic, even somehow they are different on the basis of size and appearance and even somehow in some other aspects. So this topic is connected with the science and tech, and there's a lesson number 44, and you all guys know very well regarding science and tech environment based all the current updates relevant topic for your examinations. I made all the videos for all of you on this Unacademy YouTube platform. So before going to start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Ravi Agrahari. I have done my Ph.D. from IIT Delhi. I'm a director of Purvanchal IAS at Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, where I'm providing with the face-to-face classes with all the Delhi-based faculties. I'm taking your classes of science, tech, and environment from last 18 years. I'm taking your classes for civil service examination, 1000+ selection happen. 2 books are published, mine published on the McGraw-Hill platform. The one is on science and tech, and second is on environment. These are the highly recommended for all of you. This is my Telegram channel, and I'll advise to all of you regarding this any PDF. People can connect with me. t.me/Ravi UPSC_Unacademy, not only for the PDF, even also for the all entire video link. My Unacademy profile is unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. Here you can find out my all the live sessions, and a part of all the very special classes I also made it here guys. So this is the solution for all of you if you want to connect with me for the live session. So kindly follow me on Unacademy channel, unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. My code is Ravi UPSC. If during joining any course if you are using, you will get extra 10% discount in fees. India's best educator for UPSC CSE, they all are available at one place for all of you guys, and they are highly experienced faculties for Unacademy. They are taking the live session on Unacademy. So you have a great opportunity to connect with all experienced faculties throughout the India for civil service examination at one place on Unacademy. So finally, it is a good news for all of you. A prelims practice booklet launched on 20th April 2022. And if you people are going to join courses between 20th April to 25 April 2022, and the subscription is 1 year or more than 1 year, even plus or iconic subscription. So this all the booklet will be free for all of you. The price of the booklet is 10,500 rupees. Here in this all entire test booklet, we have provided you 10,000+ questions for your practices and for your evaluation. And evaluation is very, very important guys. Somehow you can find out like wherever the error you are doing in which subjects. CSE Assure, we are providing you the with till you clear your UPSC exams, but condition apply if you are going to purchase a courses for 2 years or above subscriptions. We endeavor that you clear UPSC, and if you are not satisfied with your results, the next attempt is on us. Get a free 1 year extension on your 2 year and above subscription. Here the condition apply, and that kindly read out this all the terms and conditions. My code is Ravi UPSC, 10% discount in the fees you will get here. Unacademy Lite, the prelims test series. Unacademy launched for 2022 and 2023. 55,000+ enrollment already done, and we have a best rating is out of 5, 4.6. 6-month and 1 year subscription are available on Unacademy. A free and comprehensive interview guidance program for UPSC CSE 2021 Unacademy is providing you. It's free for all the eligible aspirant if you are going for 2020-21 interviews, so you should join it guys. So now finally I enter into the topic of the current updates. Microplastic in blood, really very shocking news for all of us. And the first report that published, it's really very, very shocking guys. You still have a need of more and more research, and some new updates will come in the future guys, but definitely it is very shocking. So what about the news even published recently guys? The scientists have discovered the microplastic in human blood for the first time, and warned that it could also make a way into the organs. Definitely guys, if it will go into the organ guys, so what about the dynamism, what about the effect, even the dangerous effect it can create, you people cannot imagine. So I hope so everything will be fine soon, but what about the research even published, that is really very shocking. What actually microplastic is, so actually guys, microplastic is a kind of tiny plastic, and the sizes wise if you try to find out, so definitely it is a 5 millimeter or less in size, and 5 millimeter or less in size are very difficult to see through the help of a naked eye guys. Okay, if less than the size you will go, it's very, very difficult to access to the help of naked eye. And see, one more thing guys, this type of microplastic available everywhere on the planets. Why everywhere on the planet? I'm telling you Earth, so everybody know it's very common, but I'm telling you, if you see the deepest in the ocean to highest of the mountain, Himalaya peak, still this type of plastic even reported. My God. Where it is reported? In the deepest ocean, highest mountain guys, you can see in the air, you can see in the soil, and even also in the case of food chain. And now the new report is what? In our blood also. Those I've spoken you, my God. And I told you guys, these are somehow invisible with the help of naked eye, and that's why it is difficult. You know guys, whatever the plastic we are going to generate, 70% of plastics only we are getting. Rest of 30% plastic, what happened, nobody knows. Rest of the 30% plastic, what happened, nobody knows. Somewhere it is entered in some of the food chain, some of the organism, maybe inside your body. So this is very, very dangerous guys, microplastic. Microplastic come from two main sources. The one microplastic sources that has manufactured microplastics, and that manufactured microplastic, this is the one category manufactured microplastic we are using, exfoliant in the health and also in the beauty products. Exfoliant in the health, you can find out the best example of toothpaste. Yes, toothpaste have plastic. Yes, toothpaste have a plastic. Even the scrubbers, the face scrubbers also have a plastic. Yes, and shower gels also have a plastics. Okay. Even the face scrubbers and the shower gel, they are trying to remove your what? The dead skins, that is stratum corneum, the outermost layer of the skin that is always dead and removing outside from your body. Okay, and see, even this type of plastics, they are the sources of it, that where we are using this type of question may also be even options in your paper. Remember, toothpaste, face scrubs, shower gels, they have presence of it. The second source of microplastic, the bigger bits of the plastic guys, they are bigger bits of plastics. Okay, the example you can see like bottles, car tires and paints. Okay, in these cases where the plastic available after degrades of the bottle, car tires and plastics, okay, paints, okay, they're small and small size of pieces form as a microplastics. Small and small size of pieces form, they are the microplastics. Even microplastic are also found in the clothes and other textiles. Microplastics are also found in the clothes and other textiles. Whenever the clothes and textile we are going to clean, so ultimately those microfibers even shed, they even also, after going to wash out guys, the shedding of microfibers also have generating what? Plastics, and the plastic is coming into the water bodies. So ultimately guys, these are the examples, and after degrading the bottle, car tires and the paints, microplastic will come there. The sources of microplastic. The second category of microplastic are created where the plastic waste not properly managed. Okay, the second category of microplastic, those are created when the plastic waste is not properly managed. This category is more prevalent in the environment guys, definitely. Microplastics are found everywhere. I told you guys. And these are very small in size, these are very light in weight, so easily it can disperse through the help of wind and water. Easily they can disperse through wind and water. Microplastics are very hard and easily not decompose guys. Within a soil or environment 100+ years, they will never decompose and they will stay there as it is. Okay, this is a picture that you can see like of different types of colorful microplastics are available everywhere. Those are collected and some samples here I just brought for all of you. What about the news and updates regarding the microplastic in the recent past? Listen guys, in 2020 a report was published, and here there was a report guys, microplastic pollution has been discovered in the snow areas, peak like Mount Everest areas, that is the world's highest mountain, also have reported the presence of microplastics. Some microplastic even through the help of food ingested inside your body and through inhaled enter inside your body. Not only human, even in the case of wildlife animals. In the human and animals, everywhere it is found it. And even the Antarctica based penguins, my God, microplastic are reported. That is also very shocking. And the most written in the news, that is in human blood. And see, these type of question may be a UPSC questions. These all may be a UPSC question. You should be very clear guys. The impact of microplastic is on the health of wildlife, and not only health of wildlife and also on the human guys. Still not much known research is known, but I'm very sure guys in the coming future some new research will come, like what about the problem that plastic is going to create inside the human blood. They are harmful even for the sea animals also, like mollusks and fishes and everyone. And through the help of mollusks and fishes, okay, human are eating this, inside the human body this plastic can again come as a through the help of food chain. It is being also example of cell death and allergy reactions because of exposure of microplastic. It is also find out. Okay, and I hope you know very well plastics not available anywhere in the nature. We are generating them as a xenobiotics. Xenobiotics is a good question for your objective paper in the prelims examination, as last year UPSC has a question of permaculture. Xenobiotics is all those substances those are generating from the natural characteristics, and after synthesize they are having a problem for the environment and health. They are the xenobiotics. They all are the xenobiotics. Okay, just like from the petroleum products, we are getting what? Plastics. From the petroleum products we are getting a plastics, and these plastics are very dangerous, because after from the petroleum products no problem, but when you develop the plastic, guys, now the plastic cannot decompose very easily, and this type of product those are generating from the natural substances, after generating having a problem for the health and environment like plastic. So it is an example of xenobiotics. I hope you understood plastic is a type of xenobiotics. So this was the report that was shocking, and I hope you people understood. And the presence of microplastic also the good question in your paper. I hope you will remember it. So at last, I'll advise to all of you guys regarding me and my all the PDF. You people connect with me on the Telegram t.me/Ravi UPSC_Unacademy. Here you can find out my all the entire PDF. Even my all the videos are also available. Video link I also share here. My Unacademy profile is unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. Here you can find out my all the live sessions on the plus or Unacademy subscriptions, that is paid courses, and many of the special classes I also schedule for all of you here, guys. My code is Ravi UPSC. During joining any course, if you use it, you will get extra 10% fees discount. Unacademy subscription is the best subscription for all of you. Here you will get the live mentorship. A tutor will connect with you regarding your all doubts in the live sessions. Even in your answer writing, guys, question answer practices, a tutor will help you. A part of study planning here, a tutor will also help you how to do what to do in your preparations everywhere, every time. Open house with educators, you will also get a benefit. People can also connect me and all the educators if you have any genuine queries. Here the benefit of Unacademy subscriptions. Unacademy is providing you plus and Unacademy subscription, both courses. Any of the courses if you want for general studies, use Ravi UPSC code and get extra 10% discount. Not only for general studies, even also for the optional courses, Ravi UPSC code will give you extra 10% fees discount. If you want to go with the UPSC for UPSC but have a financial crunch, so Unacademy is giving you 0% EMI based loan facility for all of you. And at last, I'll tell you my science and technology and environment courses are running now. 35 questions are coming from these two subjects only. My all courses are available in the plus, and kindly use the Ravi UPSC code. UPSC CSE batches for 23 and 24 is launched 27th April 2022, and new batch is going to start with the 20 GS booklets. We are also providing with the course a complete comprehensive notes, materials, everything available. Why choose Unacademy? To crack IAS as the best in the class educators, best in the class learner ratings, best in the class test rating, and learners enrolled in the test around 55,000 plus. What makes us different? The printed comprehensive notes we are providing you, interview guidance, daily answer writing practices, and live mentorship benefit. You will get it. Regarding more and more detail, you can talk 8585858585. So thank you everyone. Kindly subscribe the channel, like and share this video, and download this video from the Telegram channel. Thank you. God bless you. Meet you soon in the next class with some new topics.